Side Hustle is a book by Chris Guillebeau that explores starting a profitable side business in your spare time. The book is divided into 4 parts, each with a specific focus. Part 1. The Side Hustle Mindset. In this section, Guillebeau discusses the benefits of having a side hustle and outlines a 4-leg plan to get started. Part 2. Ideas for your side hustle. Guillebeau provides a list of 27 different side hustle ideas, ranging from freelance writing to selling products on Etsy. Part 3. Launching your side hustle. This section walks readers through the process of launching their side hustle, from validating their idea to creating a marketing plan. Part 4. Managing and growing your side hustle. The final section covers strategies for managing and growing a successful side hustle, including outsourcing tasks and expanding into new markets. Guillebeau emphasizes the importance of taking action and starting small throughout the book. He encourages readers to experiment with different ideas and learn from their mistakes in order to create a profitable side business. Overall, Side Hustle is a practical guide for anyone looking to earn extra income outside of their full-time job.